Okay guys, like before, a package for me from Murah store. This is we buy again the Erpha, and this is Horvita. Okay, let's check this out. This is an unboxing video for claim if something happen, but I'm sure they will be good. Okay, what happened is this? Oh, just lock, sorry. Oh, this is the name he cut for the privacy. It's good. One. Oh, this is nice. Two. Three. Okay, empty. This is 3 Erpha fill. This is, it's a complex multivitamin like this. And this is the bottles. I will make you see this, the bottles. The tablets is just a red tablets like my video before. Oh, we have a manual book. Yeah, it's a new product, I think. This is the manual books. Okay. This is right, and this is matched with this, and the other one is Horvita G. This is a multivitamin mineral ginseng and royal jelly. This is the content. Okay. This is the physically. This side. This is the physically, like this. The component is like this. Oh yes, let's see inside. I will drink it one. It's made from the Samco. This is the tablets, as you can see. Okay, this is not soft pill, this is solid pill with sugar. See? Okay, that's it. This is our items. Thank you for watching.